Ang peace and order po, hindi trend yan, hindi kalye, na kailangan mo 1, 2, 3 taon. Sa political will, parang sa bahay mo yan, pag sinabi mo, tahimik kayo lahat. Kung takot sa iyo at naniniwala sa iyo, tahimik yung mga yan. So, ang mga kriminal, nakikinig po yan. They have to be sure na sila'y ikukulong at pag sila'y lumaban, patay sila. Pag hindi sila lumaban, kulong sila. Pag sila tumigil, walang problema. We have a plan. We have a strategic plan. You can use modern crime-fighting equipment like CCTVs. You can use the crime labs, etc. But without the leadership and without the resolve, it won't happen. We offer you Davao. Walk at 11 o'clock, walk at 12, walk at 2 o'clock. Binata ka, dalaga ka, uuwi ka ng buong buo, safe, hindi ka na molestya, hindi ka po ano. It can happen in Davao. It can be done in the whole Philippines. We can suppress crime in 6 months.
You can suppress crime in 6 months.
Yes.
That is a
Crime,
promise
drugs,
the Duterte, Cayetano, or Duterte
and if we don't,
administration
by
is going
December
to make, or
31,
is making.
2016, kung ibibigay sa amin ng Panginoon ang presidency, vice presidency, and December 31, 2016, hindi kayo makapaglakad ng safe sa mga kalye,
Alright.
magre-resign
Senator
kaming
Cayetano.
dalawa.